Welcome to video 9.7D, a very cool problem with 30, 60, 90 ratios. I will be honest with you, I redrew this 3 times. I want to get it just right. I just love this problem. There's so much going on. All right, so find W and Y. I changed it, the notes had X, but I don't like to get X confusion with our ratios, so I changed it to W. All right, so find W and Y. Whoa, let's see what's going on here. So I have a right angle there, and I've got 30 degrees there. I'm kind of thinking 30, 60, 90, but let's see if we can make it happen. Oh, what if we look at the big triangle? You're 30, you're 90. That angle there must be 60. But that angle is being bisected, so each little part must be 30. So you're 30 here, and you're 30 there. Oh, in this triangle over here, if you're 30 and if you're 90, you must be 60 right there. So I've got a 30, 60, 90 triangle right here, this red one. And I also have a 30, 60, 90 triangle, this big one. So it's a triangle within a triangle. All right, we only have this dimension here of 3. I'd love it to be somewhere on a 30, 60, 90 side. Oh, if you're 30 and if you're 30, it's an isosceles triangles. If those angles are congruent, then those opposite sides. So this is going to be a 3 over here as well. I now have an established side in my 30, 60, 90, so I can go ahead and use my ratios to find that side over there. Okay, so right now I'm in this triangle over here, and I'm going to do my labeling. Opposite of 30 is X. Opposite the 90 degrees is 2X, the hypotenuse. And then opposite 60 is X radical 3. It's critical that you label those correctly. All right, so 2X equals 3. So then X equals 3 halves. So then this is 3 halves here. And this is going to be 3 halves times radical 3. Or rather 3 radical 3 over 2. Okay, so just write that answer down. Y equals 3 radical 3 over 2. And I'll box that. All right, now I've got to find W. So now I'm looking at the big 30, 60, 90. Okay, so I'm going to erase all my X's. That was just for over there. So all that work, I'm sorry, is going to be gone. So now as far as in this triangle, opposite of 30, this is now the X. This is now the 2X. So to get this, all I gotta do is double that. So it's gonna be 3 rad 3 over 2 times 2. Those 2 cancels. So now W is simply 3 radical 3. And again, on your notes it said X, but again, as you can see, there could be a lot of confusion with X's over that triangle, this triangle, and the ratios. So there you have it, how to solve a very cool problem involving 30, 60, 90 ratios.